Hello everyone, today we will do class 9th chapter 13th surface areas and volumes exercise 13.1 question number 7. Shanti Sweet's stall was placing an order for making cardboard boxes for packing their sweets. Two sizes of boxes are required. The bigger dimensions 25 centimeter into 20 centimeter into 5 centimeter and the smaller of dimensions 15 centimeter into 12 centimeter into 5 centimeter. For all the overlaps, 5% of the total surface area is required extra. If the cost of the cardboard is rupees 4 for 1000 centimeter square, find the total cost of cardboard required for supplying 250 boxes of each kind. Let us first see that two types of boxes are required. One bigger dimension and another one smaller dimensions. So we will first find the total surface area of both type of boxes. So total surface area of one big box. Now box will be cuboidal in shape and its total surface area is given by this formula. So let us substitute the values. So it will be L into B, that is 25 into 20. B into H, that is 20 into 5. H into L, that is 5 into 25. So this will be equal to 2. This is 500 plus 100 plus 125. So 2 multiplied by 600, 700, that is 725. So this will be 1450 centimeter square. So this is the total surface area of one big box. And now they are saying find the total cost of cardboard required for supplying 250 boxes of each kind. That is, this big box we have to make 250 big box. So total surface area of 250 big boxes, this will be equal to 1450 multiplied by 250. So let us calculate it later. We will first now find out the total surface area of one small box. So total surface area of one small box. So by the same formula we will calculate. So this will be equal to, see, 15, 12 and 5. So this will be 15 multiplied by 12, 12 multiplied by 5 and 5 multiplied by 15. So 2, this is 180. This is 60, this is 75. So 2 multiplied by 240 plus 75, 315. So 630 centimeter square. So total surface area of 250 small boxes, that will be equal to 630 into 250. Now we will write total surface area of both types of boxes. So we will add the total surface area of each type. This is 250 boxes of bigger size and 250 boxes of smaller size. So this is 1450 multiplied by 250 plus 630 multiplied by 250. We can solve it by using distributive property. That is, we can take 250 common. So 1450 plus 630. 250 multiplied by 2080. And when we will multiply them, we will get 520,000 centimeter square. So see, this is the total surface area of each type of boxes, which are 250 big boxes and 250 smaller boxes. Now, 5% is required for overlapping. So for that we will write cardboard required for overlapping. Cardboard required for overlapping. This is equal to 5% of the total surface area. That is, this is the total surface area. So 5 over 100 multiplied by 5,200,000. So this will be equal to 26,000 centimeter square. So that means we can now write total cardboard required will be equal to this 5,20,000. That is the total surface area of both type of boxes, plus this 26,000, which is the cardboard required for overlapping. And when we will add them, we will get 5,46,000 centimeter square. Now we have to find the cost of making these boxes. So for this, it is given that cost of 1000 centimeter square of cardboard, this is given to be rupees 4. So cost of 1 centimeter square of cardboard will be 4 by 1000. So cost of 5,46,000 centimeter square of cardboard will be this. So we can solve it and we will get 2184. So this is the total cost of cardboard which is required to make boxes.